Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring you have admin rights and a current backup. This protects data if decryption fails. Once done, identify the encryption method because the steps differ. Windows EFS uses certificates, BitLocker uses a recovery key, and Decrypt needs the container password or key file. Make sure to have passwords, recovery keys, or certificates ready. Then open the appropriate tool, Windows Control Panel for EFS, BitLocker settings, or Decrypt app, and prepare to export any needed credentials before proceeding. You will now run the decryption routine for the chosen system. For EFS, export the user certificate and import it on this machine, then remove encryption via File Properties Advanced. For BitLocker, unlock with the recovery key and choose Turn off BitLocker to decrypt. For Decrypt, mount the volume with password/key file and use volume permanently decrypt. While decrypting, watch for errors and keep the machine powered. Interruptions can corrupt files, so remain patient and monitor completion. You finish by verifying file integrity and restoring proper permissions. Open several files to confirm successful decryption and reset ACLs if needed. If files are unreadable, immediately stop and restore from the backup you made earlier or run file repair utilities. Make sure to re-import any certificates you exported and remove old encryption metadata. One key troubleshooting tip: if decryption fails, confirm the exact key or certificate and run a disk health check. Often a bad sector or wrong key causes failures, not the decryption process itself.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.